If your girlfriend won one ticket to the All Black, would you let her go?
No,
Why?
because she might meet other men and
Mm. Awumthembi umuntu wakho?
yeah.
Ngobani?
Hey, amajita wadlala ngaphandle.
Mm.
Aserious. Mayethu afuna ukwenza into azoyenza. Yeah.
A few moments later.
If you won one ticket to go to the All Black, would you go?
Yeah, bro.
Why?
Because it's a big fun. Just dancing there with people.
Manje, why won't you let her go?
Hey, kind of a big challenge.